My name is Shelby Stevenson with Johnny Morris's Wonders of Wildlife National Museum and Aquarium here in Springfield, Missouri. Wonders of Wildlife is the world's largest, most immersive fish and wildlife attraction and aims to celebrate conservation. Guests will actually explore more than 1.5 miles of trails while they're taking this immersive journey around the world. They're going to explore the Arctic, the African savanna, the Amazon rainforest, and so much more. We just launched our brand new Out to Sea shark dive experience where guests can actually get inside a cage, inside our Out to Sea aquarium where some of our largest fish reside, like our Atlantic Goliath grouper, and they'll even be amongst colorful reef fish and some sharks. Our Penguin Cove, one of the most popular exhibits, is home to 11 Gentoo penguins, which are a species that's native to Antarctica. These birds are amazing. Johnny Morris grew up in Springfield, Missouri, so he has such a passion for this region. There's so much natural beauty and so many amazing attractions like Wonders of Wildlife.